Hello, how are you doing today? Today we are going to be making chocolate pudding and vanilla pudding pies. As you see here, I got the mini pie crust already laid out of the packages, ready to go. And here I've got everything that I'm going to need, whether it's a bowl. I do have a measuring cup on the side. I got the milk. I got the Cool Whip. I got the Jell-O chocolate pudding. I got vanilla pudding over here, and we're going to get started. Alright, so we get the box and open it up. I am up at 6:30 this morning making this for the church event. Because everybody else is asleep. I am up. It's usually like that though. Alright, so now that we've got that, we're going to pour in 2 cups of milk. And grab my whisk. And we're going to stir it for about 2 minutes. Get everything up. I will be having to make multiple batches of this, because those will make probably about 4 to 6 pies each. What's your favorite pudding pie, or do you like pudding pie? What's your favorite pie? I would have to say mine is lemon meringue pie. I love a good lemon meringue. Now we got this going pretty good. You can see some of the, if you look at it, you can see some of the clumps still in it. You keep stirring. Yeah, on the side's really good. Put in the comments where y'all are from. I'd like to know where my viewers are from. Do you subscribe? I subscribe back. I like talking to my watchers. Alright, now we're gonna take a couple scoops of this. Cool Whip. And splash in there. Get that mixed up in there with it. Just like that. And you don't have to do this part if you don't like Cool Whip, but I do, so that's what we're doing. Get all the lumps out, make it nice and smooth. think we are about done. Or we can pour into the pie shells. Give them plenty of room. Alright. And once you put these in the refrigerator, they will set up. I think I might get a little bit more than 4. But we will see. Go back, put a little bit more in this one. I feel like it's lacking a little. What's your favorite thing to cook or bake in the kitchen? Especially as it's heating up outside. This is our last high school event for the teens, or to get out for summer. So I figured I'd do something to kind of cool them off, instead of making cake or cookies. Adding that cool whip made it extend further than 4 to 6, which is awesome. So I might just be making chocolate pudding pies. Alright, and the first tray is done, y'all. So this will go in the refrigerator, set for a couple hours till the event. Pull it out. You can top it with more Cool Whip if you like. But other than that, these are done. Here I'm making the vanilla pudding for the pudding pies. I just got the milk and the pudding mix right now. But I just wanted to let you know it's a easy, quick, no bake dessert. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.